What do you do if your company is forcing you to drive more than your allotted hours? This is a pervasive and prevalent problem in the trucking industry. You can't do it, right? The hours of service rules are there, and they're there for a reason, to prevent impaired, fatigued drivers from being on the roadway. If your company is forcing you to violate those rules and a crash occurs, you're going to have a big problem. Not only are you going to be held responsible for negligence, but you could be held responsible for reckless conduct, because that's what you're doing. When you're fatigued, you're driving in an impaired condition, and that's reckless. And if that company is forcing you to do it, and you do it, you better make sure that you're protecting yourself. You better make sure that there's an email or some type of documentation saying, look, I'm over my hours. I'm tired. I shouldn't be on the road. And if they're forcing you to be on the road, make sure that you got some type of documentation by way of text, email, any correspondence, whether it be through the telematics system in your truck, to make sure that there is documentation that this company is forcing you to violate those rules. Because if you get into a crash, let me tell you, the first person they're going to blame is you. They're going to blame you. They're going to blame you that you were fatigued, and they're going to try to distance themselves from you as much as they possibly can. This is a situation that you absolutely have to follow the law. And if your company is not following the law, make them follow the law.